Schools looking to reduce plastic waste on campus may need to educate students on tap water quality.
Studies show perceptions about water quality, such as taste, smell, and safety, drive the choice between bottled water and tap water. And, despite people believing tap water is safe, most will say they can't know for sure. The EPA requires that the public water supply is clean and safe before it leaves the water utility and provides a consumer confidence report each year. However, testing the water on the campus and at the fixtures is necessary to determine impairments to the quality of water after it leaves the utility. Schools can reduce plastic waste by providing accessible, eco-friendly hydration options and posting up-to-date information about their system's water quality at hydration stations. The EPA has a toolkit for increasing access to drinking water in schools that includes information about how to communicate testing results, whether positive or negative. Some schools have taken it a step further and implemented single-use plastic bottle bans. But many universities find their contracts with large beverage companies prevent them from implementing bans. Instead, convenience and information may be the answer you're looking for, to convince students and staff to drink from the tap. Provide affordable, reusable, 100% recyclable aluminum bottles. Increase the availability of reusable water bottle fillers and supplement them with eye-catching posters showing water quality. Provide environmental education to encourage reuse and recycling. Murdock Manufacturing engineers and manufactures durable, reusable bottle filling stations ideal for schools of any type. They are sensor-operated to help prevent the spread of germs and provide water in compliance with lead-free safety regulations. For a deeper dive into this topic, click the link below.